Today we have the 2021 Mercedes-Benz EQC. This vehicle has done just over 26,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, and on the right we have cruise control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access smartphone integration, navigation, radio and media, our vehicle settings, and our setup assistant. Just below our screen we have our AC with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our sunroof.